Hello and welcome. If you found yourself at this website, then a part of you is calling for some more calm and peace in your life. So I'd like to introduce you to the 8-week accredited mindfulness-based living course, where you will learn how to settle your mind, feel more in control and at peace with your thoughts, emotions, relationships, and with your decision making. So I'd like to take you through a whistle-stop week by week tour of this 8-week course. So in week 1, this is where we are understanding why we live on autopilot and why it's so difficult to control our thoughts in our mind. And we start to understand and recognize what the unsettled mind looks like, and also begin to build in the foundational techniques that help us to settle our mind. And in week 2, this is where we are recognizing how disconnected we are from our bodies. And we start to reconnect with them and understand the language that the body uses to communicate our needs to us. And this helps us to respond to ourselves and our needs in a much kinder, compassionate and respectful way. And we're also understanding how the different sensations that arise within us can actually help to anchor us in the present moment. And in week 3, this is where we're learning about our habitual habits and actions and behaviours, and how difficult it is for us humans to change these habits. And we're also learning how important it is to maintain our daily mindfulness practice in order to create the changes that we are ideally looking for. And in week 4, this is where we are deepening our connection to our body. And we're learning how and where our bodies and minds store the experiences of life. And in this, we're using the use of mindful movement techniques, simple techniques like Tai Chi and Qigong that help to slow our actions and deepen our awareness of our limitations and also our potentials, so that we can respond to our body and to our needs in a much kinder and respectful and compassionate way. We're also learning how the movement of our body can actually help to anchor us in the present moment. And in week 5, this is where we're learning about the deeper processes of the mind and how the unconscious processes drive our actions and behaviours. And this is where we're learning how to be an observer of our minds rather than allowing our minds to control our actions and behaviours. And in week 6, this is where we're facing our judgments, our false beliefs and our self-critic. We're exploring our attitude, which is a core part of mindfulness training. And this really helps us to break these habitual patterns that are limiting our progress. And we're really learning how to be more self-accepting and compassionate towards ourselves so that we can be more accepting and compassionate towards others. And in week 7, this is what we call our breakthrough week. This is where we really understand how important self-acceptance and compassion is to the overall quality of our health and well-being. This is where we're helping and supporting ourselves to be able to turn towards and face these things and emotions and challenges that we tend to shy away from. We push away, we deny, we suppress. This is where we are really developing a powerful toolkit that's going to help us feel more confident and stronger in our ability to manage our lives and our emotions and our thoughts more effectively. And in our final week, week 8, this is where we're reviewing our mindfulness journey. And we're learning how we can weave all our meditations, our learning, what we've developed and achieved throughout our course. And we're recognising that life is a continually changing moment by moment process. And that mindfulness is a lifestyle change that progresses and evolves within us as we develop day by day. And I hope you've enjoyed that whistle-stop tour of the course. And please feel free to explore more of the website and learn more about the course. And when you're ready, just click on the contact form. And I hope to join you soon on your new mindful journey. Bye for now.